You'll have love at first sight with the 2018 Lincoln Navigator. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Take your adventurous spirit to the pinnacle of elegance and power in this Lincoln Navigator, the full-size luxury SUV that knows no limits. Meticulously crafted to prioritize passenger comfort and endowed with powerful towing capability, this three-row expedition machine does it all in premium style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, hands-free liftgate, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, power liftgate, power passenger seat, wood grain interior trim, keyless start, heated rear seat, remote engine start. Rugged performance meets premium comfort in this exceptional Navigator. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.